Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to our channel. Again, I'm Eduardo Gulfan, and into this video guys, I am going to show you on how to set up a keyboard shortcut in your Microsoft Access form. And to give you an idea, let me show you this sample. So for example, this one, instead of clicking this command button to add a record, you can simply press the F2 of your keyboard to run a code. And for delete also, you can press F3. For A4, you can preview. So for example, I will preview this current record. So press F4. Here we go. So another sample. So I want to add a new record. I will press the F2. Okay. So it goes to the new record. And what if I want to delete this record? So I will press F3. Deleted successfully. So how to do this? If you are still interested, please watch this video until the end and please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Now guys, let us go to the design view. Right click design view. Then click this and then go to the onload event. Okay. Code builder and hit OK. So let us type this me.key preview equals true. So true means we have to allow the keyboard shortcut. So let's type to allow keyboard shortcut. Okay. Then let's close this. Then let's see what's the name of this. So add, and then this one del for delete, and then the name of this button is preview. So let's proceed to setting the code. So click again this form property, then go to event, then let us find the key down. Okay, this one on key down, then code builder, and here we go. So now let us type this one, select case, then key code. Okay, so our first key code is this one, F2. So keys BB key F2. What will happen? By the way, we can type directly the code that we want. For example, this one we can type like do cmd that go to record. So something like this, or we can simply call the name of the button, the function of the button. Let's try. Press F2. Sorry, I forgot. It's normal, guys. So I forgot to put this and select. Okay, and select. I'll close. So F2. Okay, it works. So let's go back to the design view. By the way, guys, we can call the code of this command button. So for example, let's go back to the key down. We can call, okay, so something like this. Then let us add the next F3. So case BB key F3 call, sorry, so del, let's see. Okay, del sorry, click. Okay, something like this. And then the last one, A4. So case BB F4, then call, what's the name of this? Okay, preview. preview, click. So that's all. Now let us try, guys. So press F4 to preview, and here we go. So how about this one? Juan de la Cruz. Press F3 to delete. Deleted successfully. I think this is enough. If you have some questions about this, feel free to comment it down below. I will try my best to answer it. And if possible, please share and please click like. So that's all, guys. Thank you and see you to my next video.